each person, every one of you, will have a turn. Meaning you'll have an opportunity to stand here in front of the group and be witnessed in whatever challenge, theme that you're facing in your body, mind, your life, that is either an ongoing situation, something that happens when you want to bring your voice and message out into the world, but you feel stuck, to enhance the impact and the effectiveness and the engagement of your live presentations, or anything else that concerns you. I can find a creative ritual in a Monty Python way, utilizing all of us as the characters in the play for us to generate breakthroughs. You ready for this? If you are, raise your hand in the air, your other hand in the air, one leg in the air, the other leg in the air, and click your heels together 3 times. There's no place like home. Good, then you're in the right place. And there's no place like being at home in your bone, because my whole approach to working with presentation is the physicality of presence and presentation. Those of you that work with me know that. I've been a springboard diver, a gymnast, a court jester. My whole approach to working with the body is a multi-sensory engagement of as many senses as possible to reach people on as many levels and dimensions of perception and expression as possible. And when you leave here today, when you walk out that door, my promise to each and every one of you is that you will leave with increased abilities to perceive and to express yourself through the body as the chief instrument of communication. Now,